have a great day ahead. Spider-Man is now not got it ready. Camera mount broke and this thing fell down. Everybody is just tired. The city is comparatively lot cleaner, so beautiful. Today it's not gonna be much. There are water crossings, river crossings. Night ride has its own beauty too. Hello everyone, good morning. So this is our day 2 of Spiti ride from Bangalore and we have all got it ready. So they're all set. I am set. We have already saddled up and it's time to leave. So see you all on the road. Peace. We stayed at this hotel called Naivedyam. The stay was very pleasant. Melvin reached at around 10:30 p.m. and then we had to loop the chains, had our dinner and went to bed. Ganesh had to do some patchworks because his bag fell off, but now bungees are all in place. Our Spider-Man is now not Spider-Man. We are heading to Guna today. The map says 705 kilometers, 13 hours. We should be there by 5 p.m. 5 or 6 p.m. It's 7 a.m. We were actually planning to leave at around 6, but we are not too late. For the first day, it's fine. The plan right now is to fuel up, then we'll stop for breakfast at around 9. I think that should be a good time. Ellora Caves. I have never gone to this Ajanta Ellora Caves. Boys ready after fueling up? We have a great day ahead. Let's do this. Only 690 kilometers left. I think today, because 3 of us are there, it will go off soon. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Man, the roads are bad, but otherwise everything is good. Nice patch. Yeah, made a mistake. Wow. We've never come on this road, no? New. Solar panel or no there? Oh, I thought it was water. Wow. Oh man. Camera mount broke and this thing fell down. Thankfully, it had the lens guard on, so this is very much needed. I'll either get a new lens guard or remove this for the main Spiti ride. This is a very beautiful site. So this is all just solar panels and I thought it was water. Interesting. We have not covered much in the first 2 hours, only about 130, around 130 kilometers is what we have covered. So hopefully we can stretch out a little more in the next couple of hours. We have booked a stay in Guna. That's about 573 kilometers from here. Ganesh's bike has a little less air on its back tire. We'll have to fill the air, then maybe stop at an automobile shop to take some waste clothes for cleaning. We are about 180 kilometers from Indore. 120 kilometers, okay. This is a hill and that's why the trucks are always slow here. So we have to navigate
from the sides. There is a temple also here. Yeah. Okay. I just contacted one of my friend who is from Indore. He is sharing a location of the shop from where I can buy the Insta360 lens guard. And what I'm thinking about the mount is, so we have the metal mount for which the knob has gone bad. So we are planning to weld the mount knob, and that too again in Indore. Hopefully we should be able to finish all this and reach by 8 PM. That's the target as of now. Let's see how it goes. It's damn hot out here, so we just stopped for a fuel up and everybody is just tired drinking water. Yeah. It's very hot. It's exactly 1 PM. I contacted one of the shop in Indore. He is helping me with the standard lens guard cover, so we'll be going into the city and picking that up. Meanwhile, Melvin is helping me with welding the mount knob that is broken. We'll be splitting in Indore for a bit, and that's about 97 kilometers for me from here. Any other welding shop on the way, Melvin should be able to take care of that. That's the plan. Somewhat reminds me of the route between Krishnagiri and Hosur. I've finally reached Indore. Now I just need to navigate through this traffic. 12 kilometers and 30 minutes. It's scorching hot. Whoa. Fortuner is going crazy. I'm finally here at Yashica Electronics. This is where they had the demo piece X4 का. हाँ, इसमें स्क्रैचेस है क्या? नहीं है ना? नहीं है ना? नहीं है comparatively. I did not take the lens guard because the demo piece that they had some scratches on that. The mount is ready. Melvin was able to weld that out. It's working fine now. Yeah, I should be able to confidently use it once I'm in the mountains. For now, I don't think I'll be using that in the highways because there'll be stones flying off of the highway from trucks and other vehicles. The other idea that I do have is from Guna we'll be passing through Chandigarh and going to Shimla. So if any of the Insta stores in Chandigarh have the lens guard, then I can actually pick it up from there as well. I'll have to make some phone calls today to find out. What we'll do now is we'll regroup with Melvin and Ganesh in about 7 kilometers. Take some break. The city is comparatively a lot cleaner than other places that I've been in India, especially other major cities. But there is a big role for all of us to play in that. It's not just the local committee that needs to be taking care of the place, keeping it clean. It's all our duty to keep our city clean, right? We have regrouped with the team. Melvin is here and Ganesh is at my back. Yeah. Took a good long break. Now it's time to push. Keeping yourselves hydrated is most important during days like this. While we stopped here for our break, we also decided that tomorrow we'll start from Guna at 5 AM. We'll halt next in Chandigarh. Because on the way from Delhi, I'll be picking up the lens guard from Retina Pix store. I've already spoken to the guy there, and I'll be reaching Delhi at around 1 to 2 PM. I'll pick that up and then we'll head to Chandigarh. We'll push now. I think we'll need one more fuel up. That's gonna be the third fuel up, and we have about 255 kilometers. It's showing 4 hours 41. We should be able to reach by 8 PM. In case you guys are wondering why I'm not showing anything else apart from just talking and giving updates, there's nothing much actually to show other than people just going left, right and however they want on this highways, and it's just passing through the cities and just open highway roads. Unless and until something really interesting happens, there's nothing much to really share than just keep cruising and covering those miles. You have to be very careful. There are water crossings, river crossings, and then there are cows crossing. There we go. Yeah, there we go. How will they even cross the road? Who is letting them onto the road? So beautiful.
So elegant, just looking like a wow.
Like a wow.
We are back to taking a small break again. Actually, Melvin's fog lamp nut got loose, so he's tightening it a little behind, and we are just taking a small break here until he comes. We have 157 kilometers. We're kind of tired, so today it's not gonna be much. We just have to go and lube our chains, take bath and hit the bed. That's all it is going to be.
We took some photos and now we're vibing to the music that's going on there. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera. We have some good distance to cover and Google Maps is saying 3 hours. That's a lot. We'll probably have dinner on the way and then go to the stay. Let's do this. Last stretch for the day. What do you guys think? Is this fog or dust? Actually, it's a dust. There's some work going on here.
We have stopped for dinner, and before reaching the hotel we will finish our dinner and then go and rest.
And we have only about 49 kilometers. The plan for tomorrow, we'll have a total of about 700 change kilometers. I know the afternoon is going to be very hot once again. Night ride has its own beauty too, because the weather is always pleasant, and then I like how the lights of the bikes hit in front, especially on the turns. Wow. First time in budget we are staying this big place. Look at the place. Hamlin, the Countryside Club. So this is where we are staying tonight.